Hey everyone, it's Ev. Today we're going to learn how to be confident. More specifically, advice for nerd boys on finding and keeping chicks. We all know that girls are attracted to confident guys. Woo! Party! Oh my god, he's so cute. And you know those guys from Jackass get so much ass, despite what they must put those girls through. Oh, you're so hot. Oh, Johnny. I want to make tonight so special, girl. Oh, yes, Johnny. I just need you to do one thing. Yes, anything. Shoot me in the face with this paintball gun. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, Just kidding. That's my fantasy. Girls would rather you be in control. And even if you can't translate girl, don't be a spineless Simon. So, what do you have in mind for dinner? I don't know, whatever you want. Well, if we aren't going to do anything, I guess I'll meet with some of the girls from work. Okay. We're probably going to go dancing afterwards with some guys they know. If that's what you want to do. You know, I don't think this is going to work out between us. All that matters is that you're happy. I'm going to delete your World of Warcraft account. If you want to get and keep the girl, follow these simple steps. Number 1, dress poorly. I don't know why this works, but it does. Seriously. Number 2, go do things. Lots of things. People who do lots of things seem important. And if you can swing it, volunteer at an animal shelter. That's the holy grail of chick magnets. I'd love to stay, but I really gotta go. I'm volunteering at an animal shelter tomorrow morning. Really? Yeah, you know, someone has to help those poor defenseless puppies and kittens. 1, 2, 3, collect panties. Number 3, somewhere in the history of courtship, texting became a sign for love. So if you like a girl, text her. Eee, I gave him my number. He hates me. He loves me. Number 4, stay passionate about the nerdy things you like, whether it's Pokemon, Joss Whedon, or My Little Pony. Just don't overdo it. I promise next year you can be the head. Number 5, always, always lick it before you stick it. Seriously, that stamp won't stick to your letter unless you moisten it first. Cunnilingus. That's all the advice I have for you today. Remember to treat girls with respect.